Oh, hello, I'm Justin with Tucson Roof Coatings. And when you want somebody to come out and give you a free estimate and actually assess your roof situation the fair and honest way, then give me a call at 520-314-7811. And I'll come out and I'll take a look at your roof and I'll give you a fair and free estimate that's going to be only what you really need, what the roof really needs as far as that goes. I'm not going to tell you that you need a whole new roof if you don't need a new roof. So check out our website down here. We have plenty of amazing reviews as far as that goes. Once again, you want a free and fair estimate, then give me a call at 520-314-7811. I look forward to talking to you.